Max. That's what we're after. How many Blueville and how many flues? How many reeds and trees and chimney flues? I'll be in your ear the whole time, and whatever you're seeing, I'll be seeing on the monitor. Ready? Now off you go, Max. Fly, boy. Fly! Stop socializing! Now, let's go in for a look. Okay. 6 houses on Oak Street. Oh, watch out! What? Okay, go, 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 go! Now cut through Main Street and survey the south side. Look at those greedy little gift monsters. Loading themselves up with Christmas junk. Okay, Max, you're right here.
Woke up this morning, got dressed, had my coffee, went outside, looked on the roof, my sleigh was gone.
My, I wonder who took it.
Okay, let's see here. We do
28 houses an hour for 6 hours, that would be sausages.
sausages. Max, don't even think about it.
Max! Max, are you okay?
Max!
Oh, hey, look, it's me.
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small, well, everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
Oh, dear. Bad dog. Fred, we're home! Fred! What are you doing? Okay. Come on, we got work to do.